Welcome back to Teshkid FX for another Sandbox price prediction updates, and in this video I'll be giving you the latest developments here on the Sandbox chart. And allow me to kickstart the video here on the daily chart, and before I do so, make sure that you give this video a thumbs up, subscribe to the channel, and also check out the channel membership. And Sandbox, from these low prices that we had been trading within, we saw a very nice bounce to the upside, making it to an all-time high at around the $8.48 mark in what I'm terming as a higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And after seeing the all-time high, we started the bear market, where we have been seeing lower prices in this ABC corrective structure, which has now taken us back to around the $0.37 mark. And if I give you a measure from the all-time high, you can see that Sandbox is down more than 97%, meaning there are chances that we might have seen the low for this higher Elliot wave count 2 and also the bear market low. And whatever we expect next after seeing the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 2 is a bounce to the upside in the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $13.9572 mark, and that is the minimum that I will expect Sandbox to do on the long-term scenarios in the formation of this higher Elliot wave count 3. And jumping to the 1 hour chart for further analysis and also give you the short-term scenarios that I'm expecting to play out. Here on the 1 hour chart, you can see that after making our low at around the $0.37 mark, we have been seeing a very nice bounce to the upside in a move that has been obeying the Elliot wave structures. And if I draw out my Elliot wave structure, we can have this as the first wave to the upside. Then we saw a bit of a retracement over here in the formation of a second wave. Then whatever is playing out might be the formation of that wave 3 before we see a wave 4, and then continue pushing even higher in the formation of that wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of a higher Elliot wave count 1, which is a fractal wave within the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 3 that I have shown you on the daily chart. And getting to see whether this second wave right here has done the minimum that we expect a second wave to do by connecting the Fibonacci's from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1. That gives me a minimum retracement area between the fib level 0.5 and the fib level 0.618, and that lies between the $0.4135 mark and the $0.4044 mark, and that is the minimum that I was expecting that second wave to do. And having done so, that means this is a valid second wave to the lower side, and whatever we are seeing right now is an impulsive movement to the upside in the formation of this wave 3, and sketching out a minimum target area to the upside in the formation of this wave 3 by connecting the trend based Fibonacci from the low of the first wave to the high of that wave 1, then dragging the fibs to the low of the second wave. That gives me a minimum target area to the upside at the fib level 1.618, and that is at around the $0.531 mark, and that is the minimum that I would expect that wave 3 to the upside to do before we see a wave 4, and then from there we can expect a wave 5 to fully maximize the formation of that higher Elliot wave count 1 to the upside. And that is what I'm expecting to play out here on the Sandbox on the short-term scenarios. And you can also see that we have the support of the 20-day MA. Since we managed to break above the 20-day MA, we have the support for us to continue pushing even higher to fully maximize the formation of this wave 3 to the upside. So let's be patient and see how that plays out. And also taking a look at the indicators here on the RSI, we are trading at around the 78 mark, meaning we have managed to get into the oversold, into the overbought region, and we might expect a bit of a retracement over here before we continue pushing even higher to fully maximize the formation of that wave 3. And also taking a look at the MACD, on the MACD we had printed a bullish cross, and we're also seeing a bit of a decrease in the buying momentum, meaning soon maybe we might be able to print a bearish cross. So let's be patient and see how that plays out, and as the chart continues to unfold, I'll keep you updated.